Hi everyone. So today we are gonna do one experiment. We're gonna take lead code most recent contest and we'll give those questions to DeepSeek and let's see how many of them how many of them DeepSeek can solve. Because previously we have tried with OpenAI and OpenAI couldn't even solve the second question of that contest. So we'll try all the questions to DeepSeek and let's see how many of them DeepSeek can solve. And then after that, we'll discuss about how it will affect on our coding, on our competitive coding world, and how rankings will lose their significance. But first, let's try this out. So this is a DeepSeek's interface. You can see right here. It's like ChatGPT's interface. So we'll go to the lead code and we'll pick this weekly contest 432. It is the most recent contest and you can see it's had already ended. So we'll convert it into a virtual contest. Now we'll go to, you can see we have the timer of 1 hour 30 minutes. Now we'll go to the first question. We'll copy the question from here. So you can see there are a lot of tables in this question, but let's not worry about that. We'll just copy this question first and we'll paste this question in the DeepSeek. Don't forget to turn on this deep thing. Then we'll just, you can see it start thinking and it will do a lot of thinking in this question and then it will arrive to the answer. So you can see it has given some code, some solution code after thinking about the question. It has done a lot of thinkings and you can see it took around 33 seconds. So it's like half a minute to arrive to the solutions. And okay, so let's just copy the code. Yeah, we have copied the code. So we forget to copy the function name. That's why it choose its own function name. So we'll just remove this function name only and it should work. Okay, we'll just do this. Yeah. Now we'll just run this code. We'll see. So our answer is 11 and it's supposed to get 11. So I think we are good to go. We'll just submit this code. You can see it's accepted. So it's a first question. You can say, yeah, first question, like even the ChatGPT can solve. So we'll go to the second question. And you can see in second question as well, there is a table. So we'll just copy this question. Yeah, we'll copy the function also this time. We'll just paste this in DeepSeek. So you can see we are not worrying about it is start thinking and we are not worrying about this indentation thing. Like you can see the indentation is not correct. And if you go upward, you can see the modulo, you can see the 109 plus 7. So we are not worrying about anything right now. We'll just copy paste everything. Whatever is in this lead code question, we'll just copy and paste it here, everything. And you can see it's still thinking. It will take some time and then it will arrive to the answer. Now you can see it has written some answer and it's a long answer, I guess. Uh, and you can see it has done lot of thinking here for this question. So it must be a really tough question. Let's see how much time it took. It took around 124 seconds, like 2 minutes. Let's just copy this from here. And this time we have copied the function as well, so we don't have to worry about anything. We'll just paste whole code here. We'll just remove this function. Yeah, let's run this. So here we are getting our answer 24 and we are supposed to get 24. So I think we are good to go. We can just submit this code and let's see. Okay, so it got accepted. That's a big news actually. So it got accepted. Okay, so we are done with the two questions. Let's try the third and fourth. Third and fourth are a little tough questions. You can say paint house 4. I think it's a DP question. If I am correct, let's just copy this question first. Yeah, I guess it's a DP question, so it must be really tough. Let's go to the DeepSeek. Just paste it here, whatever we have copied. Don't worry about the indentation and everything. So you can see it arrived to the solution, and it took around, I'll just scroll up. Yeah, it's a lot of thinking. It around 199 seconds. So it's like 3 minutes. So it took around 3 minutes for this answer. We'll just copy this code. Yeah, it was a DP code. It was a DP question. So let's see if it can do it correctly or not. Okay, so we have run the code and our answer is 9 and it's supposed to be 9. So yeah, we are good to go. Let's submit this. Yeah, it got accepted actually, and it is pretty fast. You can see it in some seconds it got accepted. So we have like successfully solved 3 questions in less than, you can see, 3, 2 and 1. It's like a 5 minutes, 5 or 6 minutes. So this is the fourth code. We'll just copy pasting this, copying this code. We're gonna paste it. It should be the toughest code to write because it's the fourth one and it's supposed to be the toughest one. I'm not sure if it can do it, but let's see. So it has written some code here. You can see there are a lot of code. It's not a simple code, and it must have done a lot of thinking. You can see a lot of thinking happened. It has done a lot of thinking here. Let's see how much time it took. It took around 227. It's like a 4 minute, around 4 minutes. But a normal human being in 4 minutes can't write this kind of code. You can see this is a lot of code, and it's a DP code, so it's not easy to write as well. I'm not sure if it's a DP code, but yeah, it's a lot of code and it's a complex code. So our answer is 29 and output is 20 and our answer is also 20. Yeah, let's submit this code. Oh man, it's also got accepted. So I think it's able to solve all the lead code questions. So now let's just think about this thing. If we are going to use this in our live contest, then it can solve all the questions within 10 minutes. So it will affect on rankings as well, because if you are a like intermediate or a beginner, so it will affect on your rankings. And no matter what, you are directly competing with DeepSeek, and you can't solve all the 4 questions in 10 minutes. It's not like easy to do thing. Okay, so top coders can only do this in 10 minutes, but if you are a beginner or an intermediate, so you can't do that. So yeah, it will affect on the ranking system. So like in future, ranking may not have that kind of significance. You can see we are able to solve all the questions. So in future, the rankings may not have that significance. But yeah, if you are a intermediate or beginner, so you need to focus on the learning part, because the learning will never go away. So you just need to focus on that thing. And yeah, one more thing, like I'm not promoting any cheating or anything like from this video. I'm just trying to make a point here that you can't restrict everyone. Like you can't tell everyone to not to use this. Everyone will use this. If they want some kind of rank, then they are going to use it. So you need to mind your own thing. Like uh, you just need to focus on your learnings, not on the rankings, because it will affect in future. So don't worry about that. And I'm not promoting any cheating or anything, and you don't have to do those things. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching.